just have a mental or verbal conversation with God. And other times I'll sit and I'll journal and I'll just write out my prayer to God. And other times I just sit in stillness. I say nothing. I have no tea. I just go and I sit. Sometimes I sit in yoga. Sometimes I just sit in a chair. And I focus my breath on just God. And I just invite God's presence to wash over me, to be with me. I invite God to reveal God's self to me. And sometimes my time with God is walks. Sometimes it's getting out in nature and just taking notice of the beauty